Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung ML-2160 laser printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and 64 and 32-bit link. If Mega, I give Mega link also 64-bit and 32-bit. Click on any link depending on your bit. My bit is 64, so I click on the Mega 64-bit link. I click on this link and this link is open in my web browser. After that, here we find my printer name. I click on the download. Here we find download option. Click on download and click on standard download or download as a zip. I click on download as a zip. Wait for a few seconds. First it started downloaded on your web browser and after that it goes to your PC or laptop. It takes few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed and it's also downloaded on our PC or laptop. Go to the downloads, show in folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file or the zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. SPL. And here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is very easy and simple in Windows 10. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, go to the top. In the top, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up. The new option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB that you want. Select USB. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our Samsung folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on SPL. Double click on SPL. Here we find single file. Select that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our Samsung ML-2160. It is a series printer. Select that printer. Click on next. Give any name that you want. I give Samsung ML-2160. Then click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. It is not very big files. It takes few seconds to install our printer in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. It is installed in my printer. After that, if you want to share in the network, last option I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check printer properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Samsung ML-2160, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.